good morning kids. Today is Monday morning and on Mondays we learn literacy. So let's see how we can do this activity to learn literacy. As you can see that in this activity what I have done, I have written the letter and their sounds all together from A to Z, okay, on a big chart paper. You have to write it on a big chart paper. I don't have big chart paper. I am using A4 sheet and combining it. And what you can do this same activity on the wall itself. Okay, you can paste this chart, a big chart paper, and you can write A to Z on that chart paper. Okay, and now what you have to do is you need a colorful water spray. I'm using this bottle. I just added a blue color in water. You can take multiple colors, like if you have more spray empty bottles, so you can use them. And then you have to put a color and water inside it. Okay, so I'm making this a blue color. Okay, so it's a simple activity. You can use a flashcard, or you can just say like to the kid that you have to find it, where is letter J, or where is J sound, or where is letter C, where is K sound, or letter N sound, T sound, like this. And when you asked to find the letter, like they have to spray it. This is like very fun activity, you know, kids will going to love this. Like if I'm asking like where is letter B, so where is letter B? Okay, it's B, so they have to spray on that letter. See, like this, and the color will spread slowly. See, it's floating, start floating. Okay, so now if it's letter P, so they have to do, where it is P, yes, P, so they have to spray on the P sound. See, the color start floating. So it will be a fun activity as well as the letter and sound recognition. So do this activity and enjoy literacy. Bye bye.